About the State Assembly Militias. June 4, 2020 by Anna von Reitz. The state citizens who shoulder the responsibility to self-govern the actual state government are the only parties having authority and standing to enforce the constitutional guarantees. They are we, the people, who signed the constitutions. And as should now be apparent, state citizens also make up the State Assembly Militia. When we talk about the Assembly Militia, we are talking about the well-regulated militia guaranteed to each state under the provisions of the federal constitution. This is not any unorganized militia of paranoids out in the weeds living in deer blinds. There is no more official, legitimate, or venerable civilian community self-defense force in this country, and Americans need to wake up and realize what it means and who we are talking about when we say, we, the people. We, the state citizens. We, the State Assembly Militia. Go to www.theamericanstatesassembly.net.